a good man, Charlie Brown.
There they go again. Don't know what they mean. I'm not good, I'm not bad, I'm sort of in between.
You're a good man, Charlie Brown.
I don't understand.
You're a prince and a prince could be king. With a heart such as yours, you could open any doors. You could go out and do anything. You could be King Charlie Brown. You could be king.
Last forever.
You could be
All good
king.
things must end. I've memorized that phrase by heart.
And you were born for this bar.
So tell me,
You're a good
I
man.
need to know
You're a
it.
good man, Charlie Brown.
When do the good things start?
You're a good man, Charlie Brown. You're a good man, Charlie Brown. You're a good man, Charlie Brown.
That's my new philosophy. Oh yeah, that's what you think.
Well, why are you telling me?
Huh?
Why are you telling me?
Why are you telling me? I like it. That's a good philosophy. Why are you telling me? Why are you telling me? Why are you telling me my new philosophy? That teacher gave a D on last week's homework. She said, Miss Sally Brown, your grades are going down. I could have told her.
Your new
My
philosophy.
new philosophy, Miss B, I'm she, look see, a D, a D. Well, why are you telling me? And that's my new philosophy.
That's your new philosophy.
Why are you telling me? My new philosophy.
The name of the book about which this book report is about is Peter Rabbit, which is about this rabbit. I found it I liked the part where it was it reminded me of Robin Hood. And the part where Little John jumped from the rock to the sheriff of Nottingham's back. And then Robin and everyone strode from the trees in a sudden surprise attack. And they captured the sheriff and all of his goods, and they carried him back to their camp in the woods. And the sheriff was guessing the dinner and all, but he wriggled away and he sounded the gong. His men rushed in and the arrows flew. Peter Rabbit did sort of that kind of thing too.
Start writing now, but I'm not really sounding here. I've said my thinking, which is no good at all. Not good at all. First thing after dinner starts.
And they were very, 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 very happy to be home.
And
$34.95. The very, very, very end.
A book report on Peter Rabbit. Just that you can do it, nothing to it, not to start.
Rabbit, 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 rabbit.
I haven't even started yet. Peter Rabbit.
And way up there, the little stars and planets make the rain that falls in showers. And when it's cold and winter is upon us, the snow comes up just like the flowers.
Oh, good. No, Lucy, snow doesn't come up, it comes down.
After it comes up, the wind blows it around so it looks like it's coming down. But actually, it comes up out of the ground like grass. It comes up, Charlie Brown. Snow comes up.
Oh, good grief.
Lucy, why is Herm banging his head against that tree? To loosen the bark to make the tree grow faster. Clouds can make the